Hey everyone. So, part one is going to go over how to edit a template that has already been created so that you don't have to put any complicated formulas and conditional formatting into your Google Sheet. So, if you open one up, for example, the one that I made, I will include it below so you can make a copy and put it on your drive. But let's say you're teaching a class and you're definitely not covering what is the capital of Georgia or any of these questions. So what you're first going to do is you're going to delete all of my questions. So you'll select that column and then you'll delete every one of those. And then you'll enter in your questions about your content. So let's just put random questions. I know 1+1 is probably not your content question, but these questions will just represent the questions that you would like to put on to this activity. So what is 1+1? We'll say what is 2+2? What is 3+3? And so on. We're just going to do the same pattern. So now I have my questions that have replaced the template questions originally. So we need to change the answers because right now it's saying what is 1+1 is Atlanta. And we know that that's not true. So we're going to select everything from the cell that says question, and you're going to hold it down and drag it all the way to the bottom right corner. When you do that, you want to make sure you click format and conditional formatting, and you will see all of these format rules that apply to all of these cells already. I know that sounds kind of confusing, but really all you're doing is pulling up the formatting rules that have already been created. And if you look closely over here, you can see all of your answers. So, like the answer for your first question, Atlanta, is right here, where it has this fancy formula and then the word Atlanta. And then the answer for number two, all this complicated stuff at the beginning, and then the answer boron. So, really, all you're replacing are the words inside that formula. So, we'll click on the first one where it says custom formula, blah, 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 Atlanta. Atlanta is the thing I'm trying to replace right now. So, I click there, and then I go here to Atlanta, and I'm going to delete the part that says Atlanta, and I'm going to enter in my new answer that I'm trying to replace on this activity. So for our replaced question, we said, what is 1+1? So we're going to put 2. And I'm not going to put 2 in quotes because you only use quotes if you're typing a word. So if you wanted them to write the word two, TWO, then you would use quotes. So we're just going to use numbers here to show a really quick and easy way to do this. So I replace that now with 2. And see, now the correct answer is 2 and not Atlanta. So all of the Atlanta pixels have now disappeared. But if I replace Atlanta with now our new correct answer, 2, they will fill back up. So let's go ahead and replace the rest of these, just again to show you how to do this. So we're going to select everything. Our conditional format rules pop up again. We're trying to replace the answer boron with 4. So I'm going to click on the one that says boron, and I'm going to delete boron and put the number 4. Now they disappear because it says boron right now and not 4. So I'm going to replace it with the correct answer. It'll fill back up. That shows that I've done the correct thing. Now we're going to go for our next one. What is 3+3? So we'll select all again. And we'll quickly go to the one that says 4. And we will change that to 6. We can change it so that it fills back up. What is 4+4? Right now it says slope, but we want it to say 8. What is 5+5? Right now it says 20. That's definitely wrong. So we're going to go to that 20 and replace it with 10. Click done. Make sure that it works. Put 10 in, fills right back up. And then the last one, what is 6+6? Remember, I'm going to select all. My conditional format rules pop up. Go to nucleus and replace nucleus with the number 12. So now what we've done is we've added new questions and new answers